Hello, it is Tuesday, December 27th, 2011 at 3:47 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I want to update you on the situation of this system we have approaching the New Madrid area. As you can see, there's still quite a few holes showing. Let me zoom in. What's interesting is up here we got blobs and down here we got holes. And up here like there's a 3-hole. 4-hole, change to 3-hole. Let's see if it'll regroup here. Let's see if I can find New Madrid. Let me get this a little more. It's right here. Right here is New Madrid. And you can see there's quite a few holes here. The situation with the hot spot in Little Rock is pretty well cleared up now. If it looks like there's something shooting vapors up into this direction, that kind of caught my attention because it's going. This appears to be rotating, but yet this is like a single point way down here actually coming up. So I went and looked at it on AccuWeather, and what really caught my eye was the gaps. I think it's 3 and 315. Oh, now there's not a gap. Well, look at that. Well, that's interesting. A little while ago, there was no frame for 3 o'clock and 3:15. But anyway, that got me to looking further, and here's the radar. New Madrid's right here. You can see that. Actually, it looks like several places where there's tails shooting into this. Well, it's kind of the area that used to be the crisscross, where it was, yeah, right there. See the two things coming together? Although what I'm going to show you here in a minute, this goes till 9:30, from like 6:30 to 9:30 UTC this loop is. If we go look over at this is the infrared satellite. And you can see this just pushing up here. It's even got a bunch of separations. But it looks like what was down in Little Rock fell off of, see it's falling out here, something squirting out. Let me slow it down a little more. See right here? It's like someone blowing up a balloon or something. And then right here there's a whole bunch of dots. Kind of like the other dots we were seeing, only not quite the same. Let's see if I can zoom in here. I'm going to go frame by frame. It's kind of pixelated. But right in here, and we're at 8:01 UTC. See how it right in here, it's all looks like a bunch of holes. Here, over here too. And really can't see much up in here. This spray pattern is kind of interesting too, especially this real long one right here. And that's the end of that loop. And then here's the water vapor. It actually shows up a little better. Here's that little spray coming out. And this is about the same Well, no, it looks like the loop starts a little sooner. It goes through 9:15 UTC is when it ends on December 27th. It begins on the 26th at 20:01. So I'm going to go ahead and let it play through. This is just pushing up into here. And again, this looks like it's being squirted out, I guess. Right in here, see? Almost like a bomb going off or something. And we'll zoom in on that. And actually, let's go backwards. Watch that form. I'm going to zoom in more. See here, let's go back, see if we can go back more. There we go. So see, there's little dots here, and something's coming out here. And that's Little Rock. That's where that hot area was, where it turned red all of a sudden. This is at 5:15. And then here you start seeing little holes showing up. And the holes were more, the ones on the IntelliCast were more in this area. And here they really show up in here, see that? So there you have it. God bless you. Hopefully this is the end of it.